It is the first thing we touch in the morning and the last thing we see at night. It is a window to the world, but also a wall between us and those right in front of us. We are living in the age of the notification, a constant low-level alarm. We are always reachable, always informed, always on. But ask yourself, when was the last time you were truly here? For those of us in our 40s, 50s, and beyond, we have a superpower. We remember. We remember what life was like before the algorithm took over. We remember the luxury of being unavailable. We are the bridge generation. This is not about throwing away technology, but about reclaiming your focus. We trade deep conversations for likes and genuine boredom for constant entertainment. Boredom is a gift. It's where ideas come from, where you process your day, where your brain finally rests. When you fill every spare second with scrolling, you rob your mind of this chance. So, what does a detox look like? It feels uncomfortable at first. You put the phone away and you feel the phantom vibration. But if you push through that first 10 minutes, something magical happens. The world slows down. Your pulse drops. Your eyes adjust to the natural light. You notice the texture of the table. You hear the wind outside. You look into your partner's eyes and you are actually seeing them. Time is moving faster every year. Do you really want to spend the next decade staring at a 6-inch piece of glass? Or do you want to spend it living? Real life is messy and quiet and beautiful, but you have to look up to see it. So, here is the invitation. Create a sacred zone. Leave the phone in the other room. Turn it off. It will be quiet. It might feel strange. But in that silence, you will find yourself again. You are not a user. You are a human being. Don't let the device use you. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your peace. The world is waiting for you.